Hello my dear crafter, today I come with a beautiful box that can be made in different ways. We're going to make this one together today, and this is made with a die set. It's a new die set, a new release by KS Crafts, and it's one of those die sets that, I mean, this, depending on the paper that you're going to use, it can be Christmas, it can be Halloween, it can be Easter, whatever you want to make with it. A beautiful die set I'll show you next, but I want to show you like two basic types of boxes. You can actually make different ones, but I wanted to show you just the basic one. That's the one that we made, that I made, just to show you with, you know, the closed at the bottom. We have these flaps here and you have the lid. And that's what we're going to make today, because this one, oh my gosh, look at these guys. So we're going to open it up and look how beautiful that is. All fully decorated, and since this one is a little, you know, it takes more knowing how to use this die set, I just decided it's not as simple as this one, so I decided to make this one with you guys, okay, because this is so easy. It's just putting it together, closing the whole thing. But this one, because it has this lid and you have I have more in it, so I decided that that's what we're going to make today. Okay, so great for gifting, but also for markets, if you're doing markets and craft fairs, because this is an all year long kind of die set, because you can make this with any paper. So let me quickly walk you through the die set. It's a big one. Look at this. It has all of this. It has decorations and also just the main pieces for the boxes. This is the bottom and the back. In this case, I only used it as the bottom because it's open, but that's what it is. And all of it, they all come with these layering pieces here. KS Crafts is great about that, and they're very inexpensive. I love them for that as well. This is the side of the box. So this part here, again with the layering piece, so it allows you to decorate. This too here is if you want to make this kind of box, so that's that, and it comes with the layering piece too, with stitching, so you can see what it looks like together. We have some leafy decorations here I used on this one, so very, very pretty. And the last piece is this. So this is the flap that allows you to make this. So that's what that is. We have a bow. You can make a bow. All of this is part of this die set. And we have the, this is the, here, the lid. So that's the lid. And this is the bottom part. So that, oh, and the flap, the little flap, which is this, or you will see how I use it in this box here. Okay, it allows you to glue the sides in this case. Okay, so that's what we're going to make together. So get the die set, it's amazing. It will be I'm sure a bestseller in your markets and craft fairs all year long. And you can make this, is so quick to make. Takes a little bit longer for this one here, but you see that it's quite simple actually. There's nothing complicated about it. Okay, so now let me put this one together and show you how to assemble the die set. Oh, and before I forget, guys, don't forget to click on that little bell, because this allows you to see all my new videos that are coming up. Otherwise, it's all about shorts now on YouTube. I'm sure you've noticed that. So I did that with all my subscriptions. I went one by one and clicking on that bell to make sure that I see their videos. So please do that, okay? Thank you so much. So now let's move on to the tutorial. And before we begin the tutorial, I just want to let you know, you members, that this is the exclusive video from members of Paula's Corner. So if you are a member, you are going to have this extra tutorial here with this delicious chocolate. And it's very, very easy. Great for craft fairs, of course, and gifting for Christmas. Here's another one that fits the same chocolate. Very easy to join. If you haven't, just click on join. You pay $4.99 a month and you can stop anytime you want. You get exclusive videos like this one, and you also have a lot of other perks. We're going to have lives and also early access to my videos. So that's that. Now let's move to the tutorial. So just in case you're wondering, the paper that I'm using for this box is by Craftsmith, which is you can find it at Michael's. I'll try to find this one because that's an old one. I've had it for like 2 years, but if I don't find it, I'll find something similar, very colorful, great for summer. Okay, and I'll link right here within the video. So let's put this thing together. So we're going to have 2 pieces. That's back and front. So this is the base. We're going to basically glue the base with the 2 sides first. That's what we do first. Right here, like that. So you're going to have base and the sides. And then we're going to add the top. That's the way I do it, okay? That you can do it so many different ways, but that's how I do it. So we're going to add some glue here. Use your, I always like to use my mat because it has these lines and it helps it keep straight. See, I use the lines here on my mat. So make sure that you can fold it. Yes, you can. So then press it down with your bone folder. Same thing on the other side. So we have the sides and the bottom. The last thing you do, this is going to be my inside piece, but that's the last thing you do. You want to make sure that you cover these flaps here. So we have one of the tops right here. So we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to glue it right there. So we're going to make one of these together right now, okay? Because I have one made and one to make with you guys. So I always find it easier to do it like this. So there you go. Make sure it's aligned and that you can fold. So right under the folding line, and then press it. See, I can fold it perfectly. And we're going to do the bottom one. So the bottom one, I already glued the layering piece. So that's the bottom and top. The only thing you need to add is the 2 flaps right here. So you have 2 flaps. We're going to glue it on the sides, okay? Same way that we just did. So I'm going to use let me just go a little closer for you. There you go. Make sure that it's aligned here, and then you press this in. Make sure you can fold it. Same thing with the next one. So there you go. We have the top. So we're going to do the same thing. We have, let me just zoom out now a little bit. We're going to add this one, and then we're just going to glue it together, okay? So we have our box here, see? There, there, and there. So basically we have our beautiful box. So now for the next step, which is to add the top. So we have our box here, but before we glue it together like that, it's very easy. We're just gonna glue the sides here. We want to prepare the lid, because what's going to happen is we're going to have all these flaps, and this goes on the top of these flaps, okay? But we have a lid, right? So I'm gonna hold it here. We have this lid that goes in here too. So what I'm going to do is I like to first glue this here on the lid, and then I glue the lid itself on this part here, okay? I think that's the best way to do this. And you also hide it. So let's do this. I'm going to put some glue, and we're going to, align this with the line here on my, goes perfectly here. Make sure you can fold it. I like to just hold it like this. You have to be able to fold this in. There you go. And let's just use our bone folder. I think I like to do it like this. So I press it, press it, press it. So it's glued right here, right? This is going to be the closure. So now we're going to glue the box. Very easy, no big deal. We're just going to glue these flaps here. You can even cut this in half. You don't have to have a big flap like this, but I'm just not going to. But you don't have to. So we're just gonna go around like this, gluing the sides, using your bone folder to hold it in place. And just do it on all 4 sides, and I'll be back, okay? So I finished. All 4 sides are glued, all the flaps. And before we put the lid in, the last thing we're going to do is to make it pretty. So I have this part here that goes inside, because see, we have flaps everywhere. I don't want that showing, right? So you want to make sure that you finish your box beautifully. If you have a double-sided thick paper, then you won't even need to go through this process here, because it will be pretty in the inside. But I just like to cover everything. Just gonna make sure this is aligned. Yep, that's pretty good. A little more to the right. So that's the base here. So I'm going to do that on all 4 sides as well. Use your bone folder. This is the last thing I do, because you want to glue the whole thing, and then use this paper, these layers, to actually cover all the flaps. So here, same thing on the side. I'm gonna do one, and then I'll do the rest off camera, so the video doesn't, last 2 hours. This is not complicated. It just has few steps, and you don't even have to do what I'm doing right now. It's just that I don't like to see flaps. There you go. So I'll show you as soon as it's glued down. See, it's pretty now. And then when we close it, we're going to have a beautiful box. I'm going to glue all the way around, and then I'll return. So we have beautiful box inside. All the layers are glued. Last thing we're going to do is to glue this part here, which is very easy, because we're going to glue one side, and we'll be able to, with our fingers, just press it down to make sure that it's all glued. So we're going to start with the left side here, and here we go. So I make sure that it's aligned. One good way to do this is to do what I'm doing here. Press it down and make sure that it's all aligned here. And we're just gonna hold it like that and press it with our fingers. See, this is what I'm doing here. And do it on all 4 sides, because since you have this hole here, it makes it very, very easy to do that, to make sure that the flap is correctly positioned. So we're going to pull it, and again press it down with our fingers like this. It's very easy. If you're going to maybe use the flap to open here and you want transparency here, maybe acetate, then leave the bottom for last, because then you'll be able to press it down and to glue the front first. I hope that's clear. Look at that, guys. It's perfect. Look at this. Absolutely perfect. What is the last thing we need to do? Because we have a beautiful ribbon here. Last thing you do is you're going to add the ribbon at the bottom, because the box needs to close. So I just put a little bit of adhesive here to hold it in place, to make sure that it's aligned with the bottom, I mean with the lid. That's good. We're going to cover that with this layer here, and we're going to be done. I'm just going to add one more thing inside, which is just me. I always love to add like a bookmark or a tag. If this is a gift, it's great maybe to add a little card. So I'm going to do something else, but that's an extra that I do because I want to. You don't have to, because this is, I always make these things thinking of a gift. So what I'm going to do, so there you go, I think it's good. See? So we have the bottom, and we'll be able to close it with, but I wanted to add the tuck in place pocket here. So that's what I'm gonna do, because I made a little bookmark which is going to be placed right inside this pocket. So I'm going to place it more to the left here, because I don't want to get in the way of closure here. So there you go. I'm gonna press the sides. Just a little pocket, you don't have to do that. You can add another beautiful layer of paper here, but I made this little notebook, and that's where it's gonna go. So there we go, guys. We have our beautiful box. Now you can tie a bow, and how gorgeous is that? So look at this, guys. Oh my gosh, I love this box. Oh, I hope you're like as excited as I am. Great gift. Oh my gosh. And I'm sure if you do markets, you will sell this a lot in both shapes here. These are very different boxes. This is just a regular box, but this one, I just think it's special. That's why I wanted to do this one with you, to show you the step by step, because this is so straightforward. But use your beautiful papers and you're going to have a whole bunch of beautiful boxes. And please do click on that little bell, because YouTube now is all about shorts, and if you don't do that, you will never see my videos. It will never pop on your feed, because it's all about shorts now. So if you want to see my new videos, do click on it, okay, to make sure that we are connected. Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day.